Everybody give hug. Hug.
Go. Go. Go.
Say bye. Bye.
Bye. Bye. What's up, guys?
Hi guys, welcome back.
We are back with another video.
So guys, long story short, I've got on a mask because your girl caught COVID.
Yeah, so
Our Vlogmas, our Christmas didn't turn out how we wanted it to.
It was a mess. Because first of all, I got sick.
Yeah.
But I don't
He
think
brought the illness.
No, I don't think I got COVID, but
he brought the illness.
I didn't got sick. Ezra got sick.
And he's teething.
Sabrina got sick.
No, I didn't get sick. I died.
Yeah, it was too much. So we couldn't keep up with the Vlogmas, but I did say we would try it, but the illness took over, innit?
We'll try again next year.
Next year we probably will come back and have that.
Yeah. So I've got on a face mask because the show must go on. Because what's happened to my face? I got cold sores. The whole of like under here is swollen because, as an effect of how ill I could have got, my body's basically decided to take out like the fever, I guess, out into like different form. Yeah. So it's giving me a lot of effects that I just don't want to show on camera.
Yeah, exactly.
But the show must go on because
you guys can see I got the chef attire because the chef is pack. Come on, guess what? I'm gonna cook today. I'm gonna make bacalhau com natas, which is in Portuguese. In English, it's called fish with
and potato. It doesn't sound as fancy in English.
It doesn't sound as fancy.
No, it doesn't. Say it in Portuguese. Okay. Bacalhau com natas.
So yeah, I'm gonna be doing bacalhau com natas. Sabrina is doing the pork.
I'm not doing much, guys.
Well, you're doing the pork shoulder anyway.
Yeah, I'm doing pork shoulder.
As you guys can see, it's already in that oven. I don't know if you guys can see, but if not, I'll show you after. She's gonna do some prawns as a starter.
And
you know what I mean?
What are these called?
And we got some gyozas, I think. I'm not really.
It's something Japanese, Chinese. It tastes good. We don't care about the name. It tastes good.
So also Sabrina gonna be doing a drink for us as well. We don't know.
It's lime. Listen, guys, you already know we're not good with names.
Yeah.
And
but this drink is really nice. I'm not gonna lie. And if you guys wanna add alcohol,
you can add alcohol. We just don't drink, so
we show how is the process and all that, innit?
Yeah.
Hi guys, so I had actually already cut some limes. I think I cut about 3 or 4 limes because the more lime you put, the more bitter it actually becomes. So try to stick to not that many limes. Afterwards, I added a bit of water and I did actually put some ice cubes. Don't ask me why, I just done it. And so I've put that into the blender and it's just to help it mix and blend a bit better. After that, I just kind of let it mix in the blender. Then after that, you get a sieve and basically just put everything into the sieve and you kind of just try and take as much juice as you possibly can from your mixture basically. After that, you add a bit of condensed milk. Actually, I put the whole thing. And then I added like 2 spoons of sugar and you basically add as much as you can. You taste as you go along to see how sweet you want it to be and how you prefer it. After that, I just got a plate, put a bit of sugar on the plate. And then I did get some lemon or lime and I just kind of rubbed it against the circumference of my glass, as you can see here. And I basically just placed it just to make it the edges a bit sweeter, I guess. Then after that, I added more ice cubes into my glass, And whilst you're here, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you do make this drink yourself, let me know if you enjoyed it, because we enjoyed it, so hopefully you guys did as well. And yourself, you can literally add as much ice as you want. Then literally you just add the drink to your cup and hopefully you enjoy it. Happy New Year, guys.
A few moments later.
And Happy New Year! By the time you guys see this video, Happy New Year! Today's New Year's Eve for us.
You all get a wonderful
New Year Eve. I hope you get what you want to get for this New Year.
Blessed one.
Yeah. Yeah. Hopefully this year we are consistent.
No, we are definitely going to be more
consistent. But also, like, we've kind of been the one holding ourselves back because, as you said, we do have a lot going on.
Yeah, but
we will start prioritizing this a lot more. I feel like we don't really prioritize YouTube as much as we should.
Yeah.
But let's actually start to prioritize him. But anyway, we're gonna have you guys with us in a vlog for our Christmas Eve, and we're starting New Year's with the love of my life and my family.
Come on.
So
obviously, we got our baby here. We got our first New Year's with him. Very emotional, very exciting.
Yeah.
So,
clap your hands. Hey, good job.
Come on.
So let's
do it.
Let's start. I'm gonna just start doing the prawns because I already started. I was actually just washing the prawns with lemon, just to take away anything that's not supposed to be there.
Bacteria and all of that.
Wash your meat, guys. Wash your meat.
So as you guys can see, I already got the cold fish.
Codfish.
Codfish, not cold. I already got the codfish ready. So if you don't know, make codfish with cream or you need to take the salt from the codfish. Some people use milk because it's thicker. Some people put just water and boil it.
Yeah, I already took out a bit of the salt from the other day anyways.
Yeah, so it doesn't really need to wait for a while for the salt to come out because it was already in the water before. So now I'm gonna just stop this. I think it should be fine right now.
Guys, I'm just finishing off the prawns. I need some lemon cut.
So we got the prawns over there.
Don't mind the fact it's on the tissue, but it's still hygienic, guys. Alright.
Come on. So we got the pork there inside there. We got the drinks.
The limes are cut already. Basically, the drink is just.
We got babies. Yeah.
We clap. High five. High five. High five. Good job. High five. Good job.
So yeah.
He wants another high
I'm gonna
five.
show you. So, the prawns are already looking good. Not gonna lie.
Don't see me in my face, please.
Yeah, the prawns are already looking good. So you got some corn as well. You know what I mean? These are the.
I haven't started cooking the corn though.
I'll show you. I'll show you guys how it goes, isn't it? We got them things there as well. Yeah. So.
Oh.
I need to take the codfish out. Yeah, this is how the codfish looks like. So you need to basically separate the codfish. Make sure there is not any fish bones. Fish bones.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's a bit hard though.
Does it come with fish bone?
Yeah, it does come.
All the time?
Yeah.
Because usually with saltfish, saltfish you don't really make it.
Saltfish is the same.
No, I'm just thinking saltfish. I've never had codless. Codless?
Codless?
Fish, boneless.
Codless. Yeah, it's meant to look like this. So normally I put garlic, some garlic. Ooh, fireworks is start already. A bit early then.
No, it's already 10 o'clock.
So yeah, so you cut the garlic properly, Get some onion. Some onion, you know.
Onion.
Onions, yeah.
Is this what you guys call it in Angola?
We call cebola.
Huh?
Cebola.
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 Cebola. Oh.
Onion, some onion, you know what I mean?
Onion.
Onion, my days.
Onion. Onion, yum, yum, yum.
So after that, I'm gonna put there. I'm gonna wait because the thing is, you need to fry some chips because this is the way I like to do it. I mix the chips and all of that. Some people they don't fry the chips. Some people they boil the potato. But I like a bit fried, not that fried, but a bit fried. If you know what I mean. But I'll show you guys later. So it's done. Now I need to fry a bit. Ooh, okay. Say hi. You gonna say hi? Alright. Guess what? We got the starter ready. My baby don't play. Come on, look at them starter, bro. Some pepper, you know what I mean? Bit of salt. I normally put some boiled eggs. Don't ask me why, just try and thank me later. Mix them, alright? Give another taste to it. Just try and thank me later. Alright, so thank you, Darius, later. Alright? Oh Lord. So this is how it looks. Let's try. This is cold. Pepper. This boy. Mix everything. But let's see. In the meantime, look at the pork. Oh Jesus. Ooh. Now, the moment that we have been waiting for. So after that, we add. I normally put double cream. Let's put some double cream. The whole thing. Of course, it won't be enough, as you guys can see. Meant to be succulent and not dry. So I've got another one, another double cream. Exactly. The end of it. Just make sure it's not dry, because codfish with cream dry is the worst thing. So you know what I mean. Jeez. Exactly. Exactly like this. Yes. And now it's done. Look the way this looks. Tell me I'm not good. By the way, Happy New Year! Yeah, it's just Happy New Year right now. Woo. Now I need to put this in the oven, and you guys gonna see after. Look, Sabrina's coming. My baby, obviously. Come on! Happy New Year! Come on! Yo, guess what? It's not done yet. I just put on a tray ready to go to the oven, you know. But you guys can see how it looks. You know what I mean? Come on. So guys, look at the bacalhau con natas. Codfish with cream, by the way. Look at
egg now?
Look at Sabrina's pork. Yeah, added egg.
The pork looks a bit dry, but we have gravy, right?
Yeah, I got gravy over here. Come on. You got some salad over there. You got the fancy drinks. this drink, right? So yeah. Now we're gonna eat.
Say bye.
Say bye. Bye. Bye.
Say bye.
So that's it for today. So guys, that was it for our dinner. We're gonna now eat. Gonna close this video.
Yeah, we're gonna go, guys. We're gonna eat now, and once again, Happy New Year, and we'll see you guys in the new year.
Wait, don't forget to like, subscribe,
And comment.
Why? Let me know about these dishes. Yeah. Come
Bye.
on. We'll see you next video.
Bye.
Say bye. Bye. High five.
Good job.
Bye guys.